Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Terry Jeanette from Be Creative, I think it's Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, we are doing a recycled jeans, some sort of something for a doll made from an old pair of jeans. I use old clothing all the time. I even buy clothing on clearance to make items out of. I chose to do this little purse, and I had bought a pair of jeans that were made. I cut this much off the bottom. They have I have them on. They have a what do you call them, cargo pocket, right? I cut this right under the cargo pocket and saved it because I thought, I'd make some doll clothes out of that. So there were two sides. This is what's left of the other side, and this is what I made. I made this cute little purse, and I had to, because this was just shy of making the gusset and the strap. So what I did, in the pattern, this is two pieces, I made it one, and then this is one piece, this is one piece, but I made it two so that I could just use the one piece. Like I said, this is what's left. I did it as they said. I finished my edge and then turned it under. I think I would line this the next time I did it in fabric. I've done this pattern before using pleather, and that worked out real well, but it looks really cute on the dolls. This is Summer, and turn that around this way a little bit. Summer, there's her little purse, and it holds quite a few things. This quick sew is a very easy pattern. I don't, you used to get these at like Joann's and Hobby Lobby, but Hobby Lobby, do they even have patterns anymore?
I don't know.
I think this sort of pattern is a thing of the past, which is sad. And then I don't cut my pattern pieces. This is so thin and it wears out. I used to sew for myself, and I wore out patterns like I think in particular Pleasant Top, because I wore a lot of Pleasant Tops that I made, and I made them cropped off, I made them short sleeve, I made them long sleeve, made dress out of it. So what I do is I take this to the window, and I lay it out on the window. Then I take a piece of copy paper and draw around it. You can do it a bunch of different ways. It's fun to sew for dolls, and this is a quick, easy craft. Thank you so much to Terry. Can't wait to see what you made today. And if you have a recycled jean item to show today, would you let me know so that you can see I've opened and closed this so many times I've got to put a piece of tape there. I use this pattern a lot. If you have a video today, would you please let me know in the comments so that I can come and see your video? I don't want to miss any. I want to point out, when you buy a pattern, try to get one that has pants, skirt, dress, jacket, top, and then this one had the purse, and I think it even has socks. I'm not positive. But it has a variety of items that you can make, not just one. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, go by and see Terry's video today, and join us live on Thursday nights at 6 p.m. Central Time. We just are live for about an hour, and it's kind of fun. P.S. I forgot to show this. I bought this patch. I thought it'd be cute for the front of the purse. By the time I got it home, you forget size-wise, it was gigantic, so I couldn't use it. But I thought that would be cute.